guys, Caleb with Black Pearl Media. Thanks for stopping by, and in this video it's a continuation of when we put in the fuel pump. We did the Z1 oil pan spacer. It gives you a little bit more oil to use, and it also gives you tap points for your oil feed in return. So that's why I installed that. The whole idea is just to kind of get as much stuff done as possible before it goes off to the fabricator to get all plumbed up. So I'll roll into that footage right now. So the plan is the HKS exhaust we take off, not us, but my buddy who's going to be doing the fab work. Yeah. And what he's going to do is he's going to repair the flex sections, so that I can just resell this system. Just just so it's repaired for the next person. I don't know if these are staying, or if they're.
You might as well leave them.
I want to leave them because they resonate. It makes it not sound like garbage.
Yeah. Plus, you have no tracking lights.
Right, exactly. I don't want to mess with that, you know.
Like either way, you can still be able to flash all that stuff out.
Right.
But
anybody want to buy any HKS exhaust? So the pan is gonna come down, and I got a new K&N filter as well with that, and then we're gonna drop it down a bit. It's gonna be so much fun. And look how rusty that bolt is. That needs a new bolt, man.
You gotta change that.
Tires aren't looking too bad either. At least not this one. Woo! Wait, you get your hand with oil? That's what they say. They say you can't do it without. That's how you know.
I should have, did
the real deal. You hit the whoop. The real deal right there. I'm gonna show that drain plug. I'm so excited. Best mod on this car so far.
You can put together this guys if you want. I mean, you can do it after that too.
What's that? There we go. Nice. Here, I'll get it on the other side. Here. Whoopsies. How's the inside of the pan look? Clean? Nah, it looks pretty clean up in there.
That's good.
Yeah. Gucci. No, there's no pistons down here, nothing. No. We're looking good on that.
Turn that good for you.
Cool. Yeah. Denny, have you seen Caleb? Oh, Caleb, yeah, rest in peace. What? All right, let's rock that. Forward. Forward more. You see it? Yeah, there it is. And then I got more bolts over here.
Throw some in there. So get that gun there. They're 10s. I don't know if these are 10s. It should be 10s. I can just get them.
Yeah. There you go. You're loaded up.
I'll take that one out. I don't want it.
You're like, no. Just a little whoop. Another one over here. They're right there on the table.
Over here?
Nope. This blue table here, right next to the impact gun. Nice. Got the rest of them?
Yeah.
I got like a couple here. man. Some nice shiny parts. I'm about it. Haven't seen shiny in a little bit. Oh, I'm so sorry, old girl. A whole year. Just tires? What kind of an owner am I? Well, I did do a lot of fluids, and I think I did spark plugs last year. I guess I did a little bit more, but nothing fun.
I remember spark plugs. The spark plugs.
Hey, shut up. We're missing one more. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, cool. Hey, we don't talk about the spark plugs. I was like super proud of that day, but not really. Oh man, the brakes day, when I did all the brakes, that was crazy. That was the longest I've ever spent on this car. We did everything. We did the sway bars, we did all these end links, we did the control arms, we did the uppers here, we did the lowers back there.
Yeah.
We put put the brackets on, the new rotors, everything. And when it came to the front, so we did the rears first, and it's like 3 in the morning, Denny. It's ridiculous. We got the calipers all apart, and we're trying to get the brackets that came with the purchase. And for some reason, the freaking bolts just would not fit. They were too short by like that much. They were so short. So I went to like every single hardware store in like the Litchfield, Torrington, Canton, Avon. Went all the way out to Bristol. They had every size except for like that size. It was like a really hefty bolt.
Do they have longer ones?
No, I found like one shop that had the one that I needed, but they were super stubby.
Yeah.
Like, and they just wouldn't work. Couldn't find them online, so I called Z1 and asked for them. And they're like, yeah, we have them, but you have to buy the whole kit. I was like, oh. So I ended up buying a whole new set because I was so frustrated. I probably paid more driving around spending gas.
Yeah.
So I was driving around with bigger rear brakes and front brakes. It was just such a pain because it was like 4 in the morning.
Yeah,
I was really far away.
He had stop tech, so there were 6 piston.
Oh wow, big boys.
And 4 piston, I guess. So him not knowing, he put the 6 pistons in the back.
No way.
And I was like, how the fuck did he even fit?
Wow. That's kind of impressive. 6 piston in the rear.
And then he was like, no, he bought the car like that.
He bought it like that?
He bought the car with the brakes already.
So it was the guy before him.
Yeah, so he bought the car like that. And then he was autocrossing. He's like, man, I don't know what the fuck is going on with this thing. And then he was like, oh shit, fucking things are backwards.
Wow, that's crazy. I'm surprised you didn't notice that. But if there's 4 piston in the front, that's still pretty big.
Massive,
That's still big.
They're fucking massive brakes.
I'm like, I don't even know how to like really vlog or anything, so I'm just kind of filming everything and I'll just put it together. And people will probably complain and say I did a bad job, but you know what?
Don't make us look stupid.
Yeah, yeah, I won't.
Like, yeah.
If anything, I think everybody knows that you're the smart one here. Like out of the 2 of us, you're definitely the smarter one. But that looks pretty good.
Nah, it looks good. So like here,
Yeah.
we're gonna take the oil line right from here,
Yep.
right from the side.
Yep.
Like it's run the T, put the sensor back in there, for you can still have the oil pressure light working, and you'll run the thing all the way back.
Yep.
To the turbo back here.
Yep.
Oh, whatever how you want.
He's
to do it.
he's doing a return single
Yeah.
coming down this way, and you know we'll have all the plumbing up there.
Going there, and then he puts it into whatever he needs to do.
Really should be a pretty basic system
It's
here.
gonna be real straightforward.
Yeah, which I'm happy about. You know,
You want it to be basic.
I don't really want you know.
You don't want it to be complex.
No, I'm good. Yeah, and I just think that these are probably going to be the easiest is just to keep these in here the way they are.
Yeah, just do that and then
Just go from here.
lop them off, put a V-band on it.
Yeah.
And go.
Yeah, I'll probably just lop this section here. I want to keep this here.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, no, keep that because you're
yeah.
gonna sell that.
Yeah.
Have him just lop it off when he's ready. Just lop them off, V-band it, and then have him
Good to go.
put a Y in here. And then
We got to put in the best mod right here.
Oh, is this
Oh, look at that. It's already sticking. Oh, he's so cute.
Oh, that was sloppy. Take it back out. Do another take.
Yeah, another take. Another one.
And
It'll go in. There it is. Oh, what? Oh, wow. See, I am the car idiot.
I guess we gotta switch back here, bud.
Yeah.
I can't do this. Ah, Get out of the way. Yo, what's up, guys? So yesterday basically the sealant had to sit for 24 hours, so Denny was nice enough to give me a ride home. Thank you, dude. And I just went back there today, and he had already refilled the oil, but he asked me to get another quart of oil, which I already got and we added. So there is currently 7 quarts of oil in the car right now, and the dipstick still is reading at like a little below half. It's after we ran it for a little bit, make sure everything's good. So got another quart going in there, so we could have up to like 8 quarts of oil in here, and we're probably gonna need to add more once turbo comes in. So anyways, picked the car up, she's sounding good. You can definitely hear the fuel pump, but I haven't put the sound deadening pad back in there yet, and the seat's still out of the car, so I'm sure that will go down a little bit once we get that all done. On top of that, I also got the new window motor that just came in, and we should be good. So yeah, this part of the build is done, which is great. I'll keep you posted on the next thing that we do. Next on the list is to buy the turbo, the oil pump, the lines, all that good stuff. I sent them an email to see if they would be willing to do like maybe a partial sponsor. Answer's probably gonna be no, but you know what? You miss 100% of the shots you don't take, so you can take that and do whatever you want with it. But anyways, thanks for watching this episode. Hopefully you picked a couple things up that maybe you didn't know about, but you know, I'm really excited about where the Z's going and how it's progressing. So I will see you on the next video.